Hi guys, in front of me is XIAOMI 13 Lite, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. At first you have to open the browser that you are using, then tap on More icon and select History. Here you've got all your data, click on Clear Browsing Data, and here you'll find basic and advanced features. So under basic you've got like browsing history, recent site data and images and files, but then in advanced you've got few more info, a bit more sensitive, which are saved password, out of from data and site settings. So now mark those that you want to remove as well, then select the time range and click on Clear Data. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.